Legal guardianship is the complete removal of an adult citizen's civil rights. When a judge signs that order, housing,
The
medical
Department of
care,
Veterans Affairs
finances,
decided to
all of it
pursue that
transfers
power
to
over
someone
veterans.
else. They called it Project Safe Harbor. But there was a problem. The VA-owned lawyers admitted the agency had no legal authority to do it. So they went to Congress and asked for the power. Congress reviewed it and said no, the bill stalled under the Constitution. That should have been the end of it. Instead, on March 11th, 2026, VA signed a secret memorandum of understanding with the Department of Justice. With one document, they bypassed Congress entirely and gave themselves the authority lawmakers had just denied. The move blindsided Capitol Hill. Key lawmakers and disability rights advocates had no idea it was coming. VA attorneys were deputized as special assistant U.S. attorneys, giving them federal firepower to file guardianship cases in state courts across the country. 7 days later, on March 18th, the House Veterans Affairs Committee demanded answers under oath. Dr. Thomas O'Toole, the program executive sponsor, testified the target population was strictly limited, roughly 700 veterans boarding in acute care beds, lacking decision-making capacity. He was explicit this was not a homeless initiative. But the VA own internal documents told a different story. Reppers Mark Takano came armed with leaked blueprints. The documents showed expansion goals targeting unsheltered homeless veterans, people with no connection to VA facilities whatsoever. Confronted on the stand, O'Toole called his agency own detailed operational plans erroneous. Takano did not accept that. He entered every document into the permanent congressional record. Those documents reveal the truth. The program was explicitly tied to a presidential executive order on crime and disorder. Level 5 expansion goals directed sites to serve unsheltered homeless veterans, not in VA programming. What O'Toole swore under oath and what the VA internal blueprints actually say are not the same thing. One of them is false. Disability rights advocates are sounding the alarm. Stripping veterans of their civil rights does nothing to address the root causes of homelessness. The VA successfully circumvented the Constitution. Congress must investigate. The DOJ memorandum must be released. All guardianship proceedings must be halted immediately. The only reason the public knows who VA truly planned to target is because the agency's own paper trail betrayed their sworn testimony. Share this. File FOIA request. Demand answers. The VA is not above the law. Read the full investigation at hadit.com and subscribe to T-Bird's Quiet Fight for ongoing coverage. The link is in the description below. Veterans helping veterans since 1997. Knowledge is power. Spread the word. You are the tip of the spear.